Hello. On Saturday, May 18th, hopefully, if all goes well, the heavyweight boxing championship fight between Oleksander Usyk, pictured here, the unified champion, versus the WBC heavyweight champion Tyson Fury should take place. I had asked the Pendulum a few questions, yes or no answer questions earlier. I had asked whether Oleksander Usyk would be quick enough with his punches to be able to land his punches onto Tyson Fury. The Pendulum said yes. Then I had asked if Oleksander Usyk will target Tyson Fury's eye, because Tyson Fury's eye had been injured a while back. And the Pendulum answered yes for that question as well. Then I asked if Oleksander Usyk, his punches will be powerful enough to hurt Tyson Fury, and the Pendulum answered yes to that question as well. I didn't ask the Pendulum whether Oleksander Usyk would win, but judging upon those three previous questions that I'd mentioned, it looks favorable that Oleksander Usyk can win on Saturday, and hopefully he will. So let's see what happens, and we'll see how accurate or inaccurate my Pendulum questions were. Thank you. Bye.